How to set up GoDaddy email marketing, complete beginner's guide. Welcome to this tutorial on setting up GoDaddy email marketing, perfect for complete beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and managing your email campaigns with GoDaddy. To get started, you'll need to log in to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the email marketing section. From there, click on the Create a Campaign button to begin building your first email campaign. First, you'll need to choose a template for your email. GoDaddy offers a variety of pre-designed templates to help you get started. Browse through the options and select the one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll need to add a subject line and a greeting to your email. This is where you can personalize your email and make it more engaging for your subscribers. Don't forget to include a clear call to action, such as click here to learn more or sign up now. Now, let's talk about the body of your email. This is where you can add the content of your email, including text, images, and links. Use this space to promote your product or service, share news, or offer exclusive deals to your subscribers. Once you've added all the content you need, click the Save and Send button to send your email campaign. You can also schedule your email to be sent at a later time, making it perfect for businesses that want to stay in touch with their customers. That's it for this tutorial on setting up GoDaddy email marketing. We hope you found this helpful in getting started with your email marketing campaigns. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on email marketing and other business-related topics.